Hi guys, so today I will be doing Okay guys, so I just got a email today, so I'm already looking let's roll green. Her name is Mackenzie. So the first thing she wanted purple, but the slime in it was 18. So I do have this bubble slime. It's yellow though, and it's yellow golden plug slime, $20. And she wanted an 8 ounce. I do have a golden dark slime, but yeah, sorry. Yeah, it's not 8 ounce. It's like a 4 ounce, 5 ounce-ish. Yeah, it's close to 8 ounces, so she's pretty full. And it's gonna go like so I have some, and she's gonna have to deal with it herself. And it does go in the dark zone. And yeah. Then next time she wants like fruit cups, $10. I do have fruit cups in this store, and some of the jelly cubes are like crushed up in it. So let's just make sure this isn't like. I really don't mind giving this to me because I can just make it way better slime than this. It doesn't even smell like what it's supposed to be. It's a straight cut, and it looks like a fruit cup. If you look closely, the jelly cubes are all crushed. Well, not all of them, but some of them are like crushed up. Yeah, so this is the closest it's gonna get. So I'm just gonna get rid of this big quantity of fruit cup slime. To go cut to it's a fruit cup slime. It looks like a fruit cup slime. Yeah. Okay, I think there's only one more thing. So next time she wants a mermaid foam for $25. I do have this. Just want to make sure it's not too good for her. So it's a foam. She emailed me and said she wanted it to be clear, but she didn't tell me soon enough because it's an opaque slime. It's kind of sticky, but kind of like. She has 200 extra beads, but I'm not gonna waste my full beads on selling it. So these right here. But I'm not going to waste one slime. Like, who does that? Not me. So it is really good. It's just not clear. So yeah, I'm not going to bother with it. I'm not going to do anything to fix it. I'm just going to give it this one. Okay, so her total was $73. So I'm gonna go slime supply shopping, and no refunds because I want my money, boys. So I'll be back when I send her the package. Yeah, I'll be right back, and I'm gonna send it off. Okay, guys, so I just got a slime package. It's my first time learning, so I'm super excited. Slime shop name is Panda underscore slimes. Easy. So this one here is a purple butter slime, and that one was $18. I hope this is good. I don't see a purple slime. I'm taking it back. All I see is this. And it's not purple. It's butter slime. Guys, this is a horrible butter slime. Like, it's good pulling slime. It's a good size, but look at this. She gave me this container. Let me just flatten it out a little bit. She gave me this container with this amount of butter slime. And the color's not purple, it's yellow. That's a waste of $18 right there. So, I'm gonna have to contact her. So, let's just put that off to the side. And the slime order was a yellow glow in the dark slime for $20. This better be good. And I ordered an 8-ounce. I emailed her. I don't see an 8-ounce frame. So, 8-ounce container. Does this one have a container? If it's not, though, I'll leave that out. Don't even know if it goes down. What the heck? What kind of texture is this? It looks good. Like, it feels like it can stretch, but when you stretch it, like, it stretches. I mean, this time, I'm not too disappointed, but it could have been way better. Let me test the angle, see if it goes anywhere. Oh, it's actually really bright, so this is the only slime that I'm really kind of happy with so far, so yeah. Next slime was a fruit cup slime for $10. Guys, this is a Nickelodeon store-bought slime. This is very good. Okay, kind of. Oh my god, guys, this is a jelly cube slime. It's got this slime too. But like almost, or some of the jelly cubes are flash, and this slime has a really texture. I'm not gonna say not one texture. I have to show you guys. It looks really good. We kind of like the color of it. But real life, it's real. You can see it better. It's a little kind of hard. Like if you super slow it, so it won't hurt. Like, see, it's tricky, but only like your hips and pieces. Something on my feet, so pants. So yeah, I'm gonna have to contact you about all these signs. I'm just in shock for my first sign package. This is like not what I expected it to be. Just put that away. Let's hope this last sign is good. So it's a mermaid film, $25. This better be good, or else that's all freaking $25. And except for the bones. And I said I wanted it clean. Does that look clear to you? Oh my god. It is a nice size. It's not clear. And I said I wanted it super crunchy. What do you know? It's not crunchy. It just has flavors to it. Okay. Let me soft. It's super stretchy, unless you go fast. And yeah, it has fishbowl bathing glitter, which makes it look good. The wood was way better. It was a clear slime. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go back to the rest. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you never bite them, bye guys.